I'm going to present my CS200 project made by Tiana and I Howard. We plan to make a website about K-pop library. So on the left side of the home page, you can see the label Add to the Library with two buttons below, named by new group and new songs. So it just basically means adding new groups and new songs in the library. Um, so by clicking in the new group, you could add in the group name, debut date, and label. So for example, I want to put Super Junior by the debut date, 24th of April 2005, and the label will be SM Entertainment. And here, there's two more column, number of members and fandom names. Uh, I remember it's the 10 members and the fandom is ELF. Nice. So I'll click back to the home page and we can search for new songs by down here. Also the new group too. Um, so for example, I use Hero by the album name. The song's name will be Opera, and the length in second is 182 here. So also calculate the average length for you in this song. So here, there's four buttons: home, groups, member, and albums, which you click here if you want to know more details about it with a more simple or faster way. So let's click back to the home button, and you can see on the right side there's a browse and libraries. So apparently you could just search uh, specifically things you wanted. For example, members by name, albums by release date, debut history, songs by length, and on the next page, you can see a search the library by searching different group members and different album by genre. So here, first one, let's click to the few members by name. You can see here, it's just different members. You can see, and you like any like information you would like to add in, is feel free to do it. And release date is just the album release date, um, which groups, which album ID and genre covered and group name. And here you can see the show full album information. So when I click in there, I could see different albums, songs in there, and the length. So for example, here I used the Candy album. It shows the few songs in it, and it shows the different length of the songs. So let's click back to the home button. You can see the debut history. It's just showing a bunch of data saying that which group is it according to the labels of colors, the debut date, and also different members in here. So here, the songs by length is just showing back how many songs you have and which songs, like in the album, and also the length in it and the average length. And here, find group with X members. So apparently, this is a search for how many groups you would like to use and how many, like how many groups members it's there in the album for you to choose. So for example, if I put the 7 members in here, I can have 4 groups here, one, two, three, four, by showing different group names and what songs I could use. And here for the find album by genre, um, for example, I would like to use a dance pop. So it will only shows me that which album is suitable for dancing or whatever things you want. So for this website overall, it's a really strong recommend for people who loves to dance. So you can see here from this right side, it's basically showing that people by names, release date, debut, and length. It's basically showing that which song's background history matches the vibe you want. And here, the search library is basically how many groups of people you are with and what kind of songs you want to dance, which really helps you a lot if there's the amount of people in your mind you have been thinking about, the different songs you have been wanted to dance with. So you could put in the songs you wanted into this library, and you could search whatever songs you want by having the amount of people and the situation you have. And this is the end of the presentation. Thank you so much.